Organizing your Gmail or Google Workspace account into folders makes it so much easier to find your emails in the future and helps you maintain inbox zero to reduce that dreaded inbox clutter. What you're going to do is head to the left sidebar, find the labels section, which is what Google calls folders. Click this plus to create a new label and then come up with a name for your folder. To find out the folders that I recommend for both your personal and business accounts, head to the caption. I also have an entire video on how to achieve inbox zero, which I will link to. With your folder, you can either make it its own folder or you can make it a subfolder of another folder you've already created. Note that you have to have already created that main folder in order to add a subfolder. In order to add this as a subfolder, you're going to check this box, Nest Label Under, and then you're going to select the main folder, also known as the parent in Google. So we'll call it a sub of my affiliate folder. Then you're going to click that blue Create button, and in order to organize your emails into folders, you'll check next to that email and then you'll click this Move To button, and then you'll look for your folder. It will be alphabetical based on the main folder or parent folder first and then the subfolder second. So because we organize that new folder underneath my affiliate, we're going to scroll down, look for affiliate as the main and the new folder as the sub, and there you have it. Subscribe for more tutorials that get to the point.